welcome back. Not even gonna bother sitting down just yet. I'm gonna come around because I just got home from a market and I feel like this should be ready to go because obviously I didn't bring these coasters for it with me. But let's see what we got here. Ooh, oh, dang it, we got hella spillage. I didn't even notice that. Hey, okay, that's not gonna be fun. Unless we can, ooh, hold on now. This looks so cool. Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay, yeah. I'll put my titty in the camera so y'all can see me trying to use my boob to help me take them out. Aye. This looks so good, y'all. Like, OMG. We're calling this baby Flower Child. Yeah, it doesn't really look like it in here, but like, it kind of, I don't know, it low-key doesn't go together, but it does at the same time, you know, like, see? I got like that extra green on the bottom there, but like, I'm here for it. I actually even like the green on the bottom here. I'm effing with it. Okay, that just gave me another idea though, because I could have done, all right. But I love how these came out, like the outside ones. Ooh. So yeah, there's the set. I feel like I need to do like a different, like a set that looks like this, but we'll see. What next? I think the ashtrays. This actually, no, let me do this because I'm gonna make sure these, yeah boy, do these look like the ones that, what you call it? Let me see. Yeah, kinda. See, them yeah kinda look kinda different-ish. I think they're more white. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna shuffle them up and see because I think these might be a little different. Might help somebody cheat in the game. Because yeah, kinda. But yeah, that's that. What's next? This one, I'm not taking. Oh, this one, I want to see how this came out. Cause I got the holes in there. I got them out. So we're gonna try and see how it looks. Oh, I haven't used this mold in so long. Like, it's been what, 5 years? No, how long have I been here? 4 years since I've last used this, and OMG. I just, look at my nail. Okay, Shanae, breathe. Ooh. This is why I don't get my nails done anymore. Because I know I'm going to be doing this more frequently. Oh my gosh. And it didn't even break. It just bent all the way back and then bounced back. Like, yay for not breaking, but ouch. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh my gosh. Actually, we're gonna wait on that because I'm probably gonna go around so y'all can see me struggle with it. I'm not, because I'm gonna have to put my titty into it. It's not gonna work. But yes, Let me see if this came out how I wanted it to. I really love this green. And I love that I'm able to keep making it how I, ooh. Yeah. 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 Yes. Green for the money and gold for the honeys. If you know, you know. This is so funny because like the loose gold like rose to the top here. So I was kind of like concerned. But I am here for this. I'm here for this. Yeah. Okay. Might as well do the coaster set too then, since I'm here. Oh my gosh, I got a lot going on. But I gotta take these out because I'm gonna be gone for a couple days, and then when I come back, I'm going right back to another market. So I'm not gonna have time to unmold all of this. I might try and take pictures of it too, but we'll see how I feel after this video. Okay, yeah, I'm here for it. Okay, put this here. Okay, so this was 2 different resin mixes. That's why there's like a circle in the middle. Yeah, again, I didn't bother mixing it in. I just like poured it and left it. So that's why these look like that. Can you guys see it? Yeah. Okay. I'm here for these. A little simple gold and white coaster set. Love it. Love it. And I placed the gold loosely along the thing so that it wouldn't there's always one. Oh well, we'll just call this one a freebie. But yeah, here we are. Coaster set, and I made sure I got them on the sides too. Oh, this did good because these don't even need another layer. Yeah, angle that. I'm learning to do the things the right way finally. But I love this because you can see the little gold on the sides. Yeah. All right, let's try this again. Let me pop this out because that's easy. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing with that yet, but we're gonna figure it out. Oh, okay. See, inside you can see like where the separation's happening. You know, let me come around. Is that the last thing? No, it's not the last thing. Ooh. Okay, yes. This is a lighter one, and I added some glitter to it. I don't know why I added glitter, but god damn it. What the hell is this? What is this? I don't even know what this is. The resin melt the... No, it's not melted. What the hell is this? I don't know what this is. I've never had this happen before. Is this just an air bubble that just looks extra? I'm so annoyed. So annoyed. I'm bringing them anyways because I don't have nothing to do with them. It's a rock. But... whatever. It's pretty though. Like the color, it's giving. Like it's shining and it's glittering and stuff. It's just, I think it's the air bubbles in this. I think that's what happened. I'll just put some more to dry while I'm gone and try it again. All right. So I'll come around so I can do this one. Because stay. And y'all notice that they definitely not even the same color, but whatevs. This is experimental, so it doesn't really matter that they're not the same. But the top part matches, and that's all that matters. Okay, so just like with the top, almost flush on the top. It doesn't have that little part that like prevents it from sliding. But let me bring it around so y'all can see. So the bottom didn't poke all the way out. I can poke it out if I want to, but this is for me. I'm experimenting with something. The top rim here matches, and that matches. So see, cute, cute, cute. I'm gonna try this out and see what happens. I'm gonna post a picture if anything, so y'all can see what's popping with that. But yeah, so we have this here. And then we got this coaster set. We got Don Juan, the cigar tray, cigar rest. This coaster set that we already did, but this one here. This paperweight, yeah. And is that everything I took out just now? I swear it always feels like so much more. I think it's because I have to take out multiple of these, and because these be killing me. Anyways, just like everything else we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye!